I've withdrawn over $300,000 in profits with an accumulated $2.5 million worth of funding capital. And I did it all trading other people's money, not my own saving. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to trade this strategy. I'm going to give you the actual framework I use to go from having a normal job to replacing my income completely with trading. We're going to go over the mindset shifts, the timeline, and the mistakes that almost made me quit before I even ever got funded. So here's the thing that nobody ever tells you when you start watching trading content online. See, you start watching these people flexing $10,000 days and something changes and you start to assume this is what it takes to make this your job. It's not. And I've taught hundreds of students inside my own community, and the ones who actually make it aren't the ones chasing home run trades. They're the ones that treat this like a real career, not just a lottery ticket. So I know this firsthand because I almost burned myself out trying to chase the wrong goal before I figured everything out. Let's break down what actually matters if you want to replace your 9-to-5 job with trading. Now, the first thing is fixing your expectations. So you want to stop measuring yourself against other traders posting $5,000 days. And instead, you want to do the real maths. See, if you're funded with a $50,000 account, you're only making 1% a week. That's roughly $500 a week before your profit split. And you're able to then scale that to $100,000, $200,000 funded with Blue Guardian, where you get to keep 90% of what you make. And then all of a sudden, a small week becomes a full-time income. Now, secondly, this is a skill, not a shortcut. See, I didn't get to over $300,000 in payouts overnight. I built it up over years, treating every month like a rep, not a jackpot. And you're going to be thinking you'll be quitting your job in 60 days. You're setting yourself up for failure because you're going to start forcing trades that you shouldn't be taking. See, what you want to do is give yourself 6, 12, maybe 2 years worth of practice before you even think about income on your timeline. Time on the charts matters more than hours in the day. See, when I was building this alongside other responsibilities, I wasn't sitting in front of my screen for 10 hours. I focused on the highest quality windows of the trading day, which is prepared before the session and then reviewed after. Because you don't need to trade all day to get good. You need a routine that you can actually repeat 4 to 5 days a week without burning out. Now, you also want to keep your system boring. The traders I've watched succeed the fastest are the ones who pick one approach and then master it, instead of jumping strategy to strategy every time they hit a losing streak. See, I've had losing weeks. Everyone does. What separates people who make it from people who quit is whether they stay with one plan long enough to actually know it works. Number 5, know the real rules before you go full time. Before I ever considered trading as my only income, I made sure of a few things. I could survive a real losing streak without panicking. I wasn't relying on trading income to cover my bills yet. And I actually had a proven consistency, not just one good month. See, scared money makes bad decisions. Comfortable, funded money makes good decisions. Number 6, using funding to remove the biggest barrier. Here's what changed everything for me. And it's the same thing I recommend to anyone serious about this. See, you don't need $50,000 of your own money sitting in a trading account to start. That's the old way of thinking about this. See, with a prop firm like Blue Guardian, you can get evaluated for a fraction of that cost and then trade with real funded capital, scaling all the way up to $4 million while keeping up to 90% of the profits and getting paid out in as fast as 24 hours. That single shift is what let me go from trading small and stressed to trading funded and calm. Number 7, journal and join a community. See, every payout I've ever gotten, every lesson I've ever learned came from reviewing my own decisions and having other traders around me to keep me accountable. See, trading alone in silence is one of the fastest ways to quit. The traders in my world who are consistently getting funded and consistently getting paid out are almost always in a community, sharing wins, losses, and lessons in real time. And that's genuinely it. It's not about a secret strategy. It's about fixing your expectations, treating this like a skill, staying boring and consistent, using funding capital instead of your own savings to remove the pressure that make most people fail. Now, that combination is what took me from 9-to-5 mindset to being able to say that I pulled in over $300,000 in payouts, funded by a prop firm, not by risking my own savings. So if you're serious about replacing your income the right way, this is exactly why I trade with Blue Guardian. You can get funded with $50K to $100K instantly without even going through an evaluation and scaling from there. The link is in the description down below. Go check it out and take your first Blue Guardian evaluation today.